Hi, Garden Writer George Weigel, and I'm here to tell you today about one of my favorite gardening products, Floating Row Cover. It's a product that's a lightweight blanket, and it's so light you can drape it right on top of the plants. Let's take a look at some of the ways I use it in the garden. Here's one good way I like to use it as a frost protector, especially helpful on a cold night when you get a frost after you've already planted the tender annuals and tender vegetables, and it'll give you about 3 to 5 degrees of protection, which is probably just enough to get you through those cold nights. Another good use for it is bug protection, where here I built a little mini greenhouse out of PVC pipe and then draped the fabric right over the top. Notice it is light enough that it lets the light through, it lets air exchange in there, and it also even lets the rain go through. But the more important thing is any flying bug that's going to lay eggs on your crops can't lay the eggs. And in the summertime you can use it as shade netting. So if you're trying to grow a cool season crop like lettuce, for example, put it right over top and you'll get a little bit of shade to help you grow cool season crops in the hot weather. The only two downsides would be pollination. If you have crops you're trying to grow like melons and cucumbers, squash, that kind of thing, you really have to take it off so the bees can do their job. And the other thing is cosmetic. It looks a little bit like a plant morgue, like you got something buried underneath there, but it's, you know, when you weigh it all, when you look at the pros and you look at the cons, there's a lot of benefits to it. So it's one I really like.